When you want to open WhatsApp, you can see that WhatsApp loading problem. In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp loading problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp. Now search for Warp, install 1.1.warp. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then tap on see all apps, tap on search WhatsApp, tap on force stop, okay, tap on storage and cache, clear cache. Now open Warp app, next accept, then install, okay, not now, connect. Now open WhatsApp. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp loading account center problem or loading account center WhatsApp problem.